If you're like a lot of folks, you think it's nice to have a little extra money on hand. So in this video, I'm going to give you 12 ways to increase your income quickly, and let's get started. Number 1, the first and most obvious way to increase your income, if you already have a job, ask for a raise. Plain and simple. You don't have to do anything else right there. Number 2, take surveys online. There are places like Survey Junkie that will pay you up to $45 for a completed survey. There's also swag bucks and inbox dollars to consider. Number 3, rent out your free space. If you have room in a garage or a shed or even your driveway, you can actually charge people to store their stuff. In fact, my neighbor actually boards horses for months at a time. So you can do that. Just go on a website like Neighbor to get started. Number 4, an easy way to increase your income, take on a second job. Now this can be as easy or as involved as you really want it to be, but if you're looking at something that is really low maintenance that fits your schedule and you dictate when you're working, use services like DoorDash or Lyft or Uber so that you are in control of when you actually are working. Number 5, you know you have a skill, so offer your services on a site like Fiverr or Upwork where you can do some extra freelance work on your time. Number 6, give plasma. Give plasma to save lives and have the bonus of actually getting paid for your donation. Number 7, sell something online. This could mean selling things you already own for people to buy, or it could mean you're creating something and putting it out there on the market for people to purchase. Either way, there are some great websites out there that will let you do either one. And the next way to increase your income, use a site like Teachable and create a course. We all have different areas of competency and things that we understand better than most. So go ahead and create a course. And the best part is you set the price, and this is income you can have for years to come. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video and getting any value out of it, give me a like and leave me a note in the comments below. Which one are you interested in trying for yourself? Number 9, if you have spare room, maybe in your house or you have a guest house, put it out there for rent or put it out there on Airbnb. You can make some really good money on the side just by doing that. And my next tip, if you live in a larger city, consider a website like TaskRabbit. This allows people to put services out there that they need help with, and you as the tasker goes and fulfills them. So these can be as simple and as complicated as you want, but some of the items include like pet sitting or house sitting or some minor repairs needed in their home. So depending on your skill level, this could be great for you. My next way to increase your income, use Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Now, there's a lot you can learn here. They have a couple of subreddits out there that I suggest you check out, like MTurk. But the point is, Amazon and the people that sell on Amazon need odd and end jobs fulfilled, things like tagging photos or transcribing videos. And there is always somebody who needs to go and do that. And these companies will pay you for your time and your services. So definitely check it out. And my final way to make money, review apps or websites. Sometimes you can get paid a good chunk, between $10 and $20 for just 20 or 30 minutes of your time. There are a couple of different sites out there to check out, like User Testing or Testing Time, but there are several to choose from. So go ahead, do your research, and maybe you'll find one you like. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video.